oil experts and energy experts are saying between 1 week, 3 weeks, 5 weeks, that this is going to go downhill. And some say by mid-June, some say by early July. But even after that, if this continues, it's just going to get progressively worse. And even if we were to have a deal tonight, which is impossible, uh, this crisis is going to hit, and it's going to hit hard. But if it continues this situation, it's going to hit even harder, and it's going to last longer. So Trump has already created a catastrophe that we're only seeing the tip of the iceberg. But in any case, I think that right now we are at a point where Trump cannot wait much longer. And that doesn't mean he's going to sign a deal. I'm just saying that he cannot wait much longer because the effects of the energy shortage and the shortage of helium and the shortage of fertilizers and all other petrochemical products is going to begin hitting hard. And I think that the globe is going to become increasingly outraged. The world at the U.S. and Netanyahu and Trump, and the American people are going to become increasingly angry towards Trump and Netanyahu and the Zionists and their lobby.
Yesterday, the United States military fired a Hellfire missile at the engine room of a vessel that was headed to an Iranian port. This ship did not have oil on board, but it had been warned not to continue its journey. And that is...
This is breaking news. We are all waking up in the Middle East to the most significant escalation since the ceasefire went into effect. Both Kuwait and Bahrain targeted overnight. Kuwait seeing 13 missiles, 17 drones, one person killed. We also saw direct hits on the airport. Bahrain, home to the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet, was also targeted. Sirens going off there overnight.
If the Strait of Hormuz doesn't reopen soon, the global economy is going to feel it fast. This narrow waterway moves about a fifth of the world's oil supply. And when it's blocked, everything from fuel prices to shipping costs starts climbing almost immediately. When oil can't move, gas prices spike. Airlines pay more for fuel, trucking companies pay more to move goods, and those costs get passed straight to consumers. That means higher grocery prices, higher transportation costs, and higher energy bills, not just in one country, but everywhere. Economists warn that a prolonged shutdown could trigger supply shortages, slow down manufacturing, and even push vulnerable economies toward recession. And the longer the disruption lasts, the harder it becomes for countries to stabilize their markets. In short, if the Strait of Hormuz stays closed, the world won't just see higher prices. It could see a chain reaction that hits every major economy.